Good day again, students, my dear students, and some of the viewers. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is paano natin ito i-drawing. Pero bago tayo mag-drawing, kailangan mag-set muna tayo ng layers. So, this time, yung drawing natin, meron na tayong gagamitin na layer. Okay? So, ano ba tong layer na to? So, ito yung layer. So, makikita mo yung layer doon sa home tab. Okay? So, meron na tayong ginawa dito na gagawin natin na layer, properties. So, we have name of the layer, meron tayong 5 in-identify na different lines. Okay. So, from that different lines, we have object, hidden, dim line, HUDs, and center. So, ang gagamitin natin na kulay doon sa object is red. Ang line type niya is continuous, then line weight niya is 0.5. Sa hidden naman, ang color niya is yellow. You can choose your own color if you want. Line type hidden, then line weight is 0.25. Sa dim line or yung gagamitin natin na dimension line, ang color natin is sky blue. Then line type is continuous, then line weight is 0.2. Yung HUDs naman, ang gagamitin natin color is orange. Line type is continuous, then line weight is 0.15. Then we have another layer which is the center. Ang color na gagamitin natin is pink. Line type is center line, then line weight is 0.15. So, puntahan na natin yung layer properties para i-set up natin itong 5 line na gagamitin natin. So, all we have to do is just click the layer properties. Then, as you can see, meron na tayong nakalagay na object na gawa ko na kanina to. So, yung object na yan is ano ba yung nilagay natin color dito? Tingnan natin. So, yung object natin is red. So, baguhin natin ng red yan. Okay. Okay, red. Then line type is continuous. Then line weight is 0.5. Now, so if you want to add another layer, just click this one. So this is what we call new layer or Alt N. Okay. So mag-click ka lang ng Alt tapos N to new. So papangalanan natin yan na hidden line or hidden. Okay. Our color will be yellow. Palitan natin to ng yellow. Our line type is continuous, then line weight is 0.25. Okay, then click OK. Then Alt N na naman. So this time it will be dim line. Our color will be sky blue. So palitan natin ng sky blue. This one, then click OK. Then line weight is 0.2. So 0.2. Click OK. Then Alt N na naman. This time HUDs. Okay. Then we have 0.15. Okay. Then line type natin dito is continuous. Yung dim line is continuous, hidden line is hidden. Okay. So kapag wala pang nakalagay dyan na hidden line, mag-load lang kayo. So click mo lang yung load, then hanapin mo yung hidden. Okay. So kailangan natin yung hidden, then click natin yan, then click OK. Kung yung hidden ang ilalagay mo doon, click mo lang yung hidden, then click OK. So, naging hidden line na yung hidden line natin doon. yung dim line, object line, then we have another one, alt, new, then we call this center line or center. Okay. Our color will be pink. So center, color is pink. Okay. Then line type, wala pa tayong click natin dyan, wala pa yung center line dyan, so mag-load lang tayo. Hanapin natin yung center. Okay. Click OK. Then click mo ulit yung center, then click OK. Palitan natin yung line weight ng center, it will be 0.15 and click OK. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So ganyan ang pag-load ng layer or paggawa ng layer. So in our next video is magle-layout na tayo paano natin i-layout ito. So ang gagawin natin is i-layout muna natin bago natin lagyan ng mga detail. So that's it for today. Ganyan ang paggawa or how to manage layer properties in AutoCAD.